Hello friends, welcome back to our channel once again. We are continuing the discussion of solution of JEE Advanced 2026 paper 1. This is question number 8. This is also easy to moderate question. So here they are talking about electric field associated with an electromagnetic wave traveling in vacuum given by this. Omega is given, all quantities SI units and speed of light is provided. Then we have to check out the option. First of all, look at this equation. This equation is given by E is equal to E naught sine of 3y plus 4z plus omega t. Now this is not normal to the equation that we used to see regularly. So here we can write y is equal to, we are habituated to see sine of kx plus or minus omega t. So here we have the 3D form of this one. So this is a sine of, the actual equation must be written as k vector dot r vector plus omega t. K is propagation vector. How much is that? That is kx I cap plus ky j cap plus kz k cap. And r vector is the radius vector, which is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So if I do k dot r, it seems to be a sine of kx into x plus ky into y plus kz into z plus of omega t. Now if you compare with this equation, you can clearly see that by comparison kx coming to be 0. We are comparing this equation, this one, with this one. These two equations we are comparing. So if you compare, what you are getting, kx is 0, ky is equal to 3, and kz, that is coming to be 4. So k vector is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap. Now if I have to find out the direction of propagation over here, since it's a function which is telling k dot r plus omega t, so it is moving along the negative x-axis, negative direction. So if it is moving in the negative direction, then the direction of propagation will be equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap with a minus sign. Unit vector they are asking to find out under root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is 25 by 5. So this becomes minus 3i cap minus 4j cap minus 4j, I'm sorry, this is j cap and this is k cap. K here is 3j cap plus 4k cap. So here it is 3j cap minus 4k cap divided by 5, right? So here option A is correct. Next is the magnitude of the wave vector. We will check the magnitude of the wave vector. K vector magnitude, we are getting 5. So this is a wrong option. Value of omega. We know that omega by k is equal to c. So omega will become k into c. So k is equal to 5. 3 into 10 to the power 8, so that becomes 15 into 10 to the power 8, so that becomes 1.5 into 10 to the power 9. C option is also correct. Now checking the direction of the magnetic field. They are asking about the magnetic field. For the magnetic field, we will do a very simple trick. The trick is that we will try to figure out the direction. We will not go into these values. We will cross check this one. If we are getting this one, then it is everything is perfect. So there we know the direction of propagation. Direction of propagation is equal to, we get E cross B. So direction of propagation is already along minus j cap minus k cap. E vector is already done along I cap. So please check out, if I talk about the direction here, please follow the discussion. So here this is I cap, j cap and k cap. Right. So if I do cross product, I have to check this one. I have to go by the option. So here this is I cross J. I cross J. The moment I do I vector cross J vector, because here you see magnetic field is J vector. So I cross J becomes plus K cap. Here we have minus K cap. So this is wrong. So the correct option is A and C. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.